ready to level up your podcasting game and effortlessly record and host your show. First, open StreamYard and set up your live stream like you normally would. Get your guests ready, design your overlays, the whole shebang. You're going to use StreamYard to do your recording, just like you would a normal broadcast. Make sure you've also got Buzzsprout. Inside StreamYard, before you go live, you need to configure your recording options. Locate the recording setting within StreamYard's broadcast setup page. There may be variations based on the version you are using, but look for a recording option. Choose how you want to record. For the best audio quality, select Record Locally. This means StreamYard will save each participant's audio separately on your computer, giving you greater flexibility in editing. Now, the Buzzsprout part. Once your StreamYard recording is complete, you'll have an audio or video file. Log into your Buzzsprout account, then navigate to the episode creation or upload area. Here you should be able to find an upload file button, which is what we should use now. Click the file upload. Buzzsprout will start processing your audio. It will take a few moments to encode the file. While Buzzsprout is processing, fill out all the necessary details for your episode: the title, description, cover art, and any relevant episode notes. From here, you can schedule your podcast to go live and even choose how to distribute it to all of your favorite podcasting platforms like Apple Podcasts or Spotify. Once completed, your streamlined StreamYard to Buzzsprout podcast is ready for the world. So, by using these tips, you can achieve excellent audio quality in both StreamYard and Buzzsprout. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Happy podcasting.